You know what I mean? I feel like we all have a sense of responsibility. We're voted in for what we do during the season, which is, play hard. And when we come here, that's what the fans want to see. They want us to go at it. They want to see us compete. And, that's what I try to do, and that's what I try to tell my teammates. I'm the double-double king. Because I started stealing all your rebounds, and then in the locker room, Kevin said, "You got 6 rebounds?" I said, "Man, I got more than you." I said, "It's probably the first time and the last time." And so after that, I just started stealing rebounds left and right. Every time I got one, I started pointing to them. They were kind of upset because the 10th rebound I got off the free throw just literally bounced right to me. And they were like, "Man, that's whack, man. You got to go get the ball." I've been there. You know what I mean? Like, I had my time. I mean, it's not about that for me, at this point in my career. I've been there. You know what I mean? It's very important for the game to continue to have young stars emerge. It's great for the league to get behind Blake and what he's doing. It's important for me to step aside. I've had that. You know what I mean? It's about me coming out and performing and staying healthy and doing the right things after 15 years. But it's about them at this point.